Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out a display that seriously changes how you interact with your entire setup. If your current screen feels small, cluttered, or just not efficient enough, this is the kind of upgrade that instantly fixes that. We're talking about a massive 40-inch ultra-wide panel with a crisp 5K 2K resolution that's built for people who want more space, more clarity, and a cleaner workflow. Right away, the design gives off a premium vibe. The borders are super slim, so the screen feels almost endless when you're using it. The curve is smooth and subtle, not too aggressive, but just enough to keep everything within your natural line of sight. It helps make long sessions feel easier on your eyes, especially when you're working across such a wide display. Now, the biggest advantage here is the amount of space you get. This is where ultra-wide really shines. Instead of juggling between tabs or dealing with two separate monitors, everything sits on one continuous screen. You can open multiple apps side by side, compare documents, manage large spreadsheets, or stretch out your editing timeline without feeling restricted. The 5K 2K resolution adds another layer to the experience. It's not just about size, it's about clarity. Text looks sharp, visuals are detailed, and everything feels more refined. Whether you're editing photos, working on videos, or just browsing, the quality is consistently impressive. For content creators, this kind of display is a game changer. You get more room for timelines, better control over your tools, and a clearer view of your work. For productivity-focused users, it's all about efficiency. Less switching, more doing. It saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. Another standout feature is how this monitor simplifies your setup. With modern connectivity options, you can connect your laptop using a single cable that handles display, charging, and data all at once. That means fewer wires, less clutter, and a much cleaner desk. It's one of those small things that makes a big difference over time. There's also support for controlling multiple systems with a single keyboard and mouse. If you use more than one device, this becomes incredibly useful. Switching between them feels quick and seamless, making your workflow more flexible. Comfort is also well thought out. The stand allows you to adjust height, tilt, and angle so you can set it exactly how you like. Combined with the wide curved panel, it creates a more natural viewing experience, which is important if you spend hours in front of a screen every day. And when it's time to relax, this display delivers there too. Watching movies or videos feels more immersive thanks to the ultra-wide format. It fills more of your vision and gives you that cinematic feel right at your desk. At the end of the day, this is more than just a screen. It's a productivity tool, a design upgrade, and an experience boost all in one. It's built for people who want a powerful, clean, and future-ready setup. If you're interested in getting this monitor, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability.